Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we will talk about screen brightness and the benefits of adjusting it. We'll also explore how to control it using the keyboard or through Windows. Let's get started. The first benefit of adjusting screen brightness is that it improves image quality. Additionally, having the appropriate brightness level helps reduce eye strain. Lowering the brightness can also conserve battery life, which is particularly useful when using a laptop without a charger. If we adjust the brightness to match the ambient light around us, it becomes easier to read the screen, and it further reduces eye strain. Lastly, controlling screen brightness can offer you some privacy, as a dimmer screen makes it harder for the person next to you to see what you're doing. The first method to adjust screen brightness is through the keyboard. You can do this by pressing the FN key, located between the Control and Windows keys. Then, press the sun symbol, which may be in different locations depending on your laptop model. Usually, the increase and decrease brightness buttons are located next to each other. If these keys don't work, it's a good idea to check the laptop manufacturer's website for a driver called hotkey. The second way to adjust screen brightness is to click on the Start button, go to Control Panel, select System, then choose Display. Here, you'll find a slider bar to adjust the brightness. Alternatively, you can adjust it by clicking on the icons in the corner next to the clock. Click on Expand, and you should see a brightness slider that you can adjust. If the slider is not visible, it might be because the graphics driver needs an update. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.